Hey YouTubers! Welcome back to this new Eagle lawnmower. I've got something I need to show you. Look at these batteries. They're charging so well. It's actually pretty cool that these batteries are so big. They look like the one from the old Eagle lawnmower from Mower. We've got this from Rose, and we purchased this from Rose because we've got this for a reason. The reason why we got a blower and a lawnmower because we needed them. It's because we like it at all times. It's the industry's most advanced handheld blower. Unfortunately, we'll have lots of items here, so this set's going to be called the Eagle set only, with lots of Eagle toys. There's a power button, there's this touch drive.
Want me to push it over there?
Before we do that, let's take a look at this.
I'll leave it here for you.
The battery compartment. This is the setting. To change your height. That's for mode totally. Let's go use bag. And this is the height adjustment. You have quick adjust levels, low, medium, and high. And it's folded too. Super composite deck. We can use it for just a few more hours. Battery's about to be fully charged, so it's gonna reach to 5. This will last a very, 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 very long time because this is a bigger battery. And this is just like a clamp. This clamp thing can lock it. You do not use it.
To start it, you have to fully extend it.
Yeah, fully extend it first. Can you unlock it back because it's not on?
No, this is to lock it in place.
I forgot to unlock it. And that's how it works. To do it, you need to lock this and make sure that it extends in place. So that's how it does. It's a little bit stiff, so.
Yeah.
This is the power button.
You want to turn it on, see what it looks like?
You have to wait until the battery's fully charged. Actually, it's not that loud. It's just a little bit quiet, so. Whenever we cut the glass, we're going to put the bag in. Can you fix the bag? Is that for the bag or what's that for? Not even for the bag. Okay. Attach down the bag and make sure that it's fully locked in position. Otherwise, it could result from being unlocked. This is the speed adjustment. I'm not going to twist it, but look at this. Yeah, like for different terrains. This is like the booklet. What? This is a water box. There's like a booklet behind this. Let's not tell them the number. See these words right here? It says to reduce the risk of injury, do not operate a guard or glass bag in place. Why am I reading that? Let's go take a look at this. Where you can store something, such as batteries. It has 56 volts lithium ion. So it's an arc lithium battery. With an arc lithium battery technology. The battery will be charged in any second now. Yes. Take out that battery too. How do you turn it off?
The same way.
This is the speed.
Yeah, that's the speed. Turn the lights on.
No, I'm so glad to see this. I'm so glad. You have to do that. You see that indicator? I see how this works.
Uh-huh. Turbo economy.
That's called Eco. Nice lawnmower. This prevents glass from coming out. Nice lawnmower. it is quieter. Nice. Look at the batteries inside.
Yeah, I like that you can see the battery. The motor's strong.
The motor's loud.
It's going up the hill easily.
You should. Next time do that. Now we're using the blower. Every battery can fit in this blower. One battery powers all tools. Ego, power beyond belief. Look at that. What happened to all of the glass, see? That's a big clump.
Yeah.
What happened? Dump it out. Look at all of that glass. That took forever. Can you take the battery out of this blower?
Want to open a can?
All right, now it's completely dark, and we got something we need to show you. This blower has a nice button. All right, we'll go to put this in. Now, could you please fold this? Wow, it's very dark in here. Good thing there's no heat in here. This is called the Ego set, filled with lots of Ego tools. Look at the Toyota. Wow. Look at the power seat.
Perfect.
Now, you can press the button for me, please. Wow. Okay, do you walk the ramp for me, please? That's it for the video. We'll see you in the next video next time.